Hello, student, or Namaste, Sat Sri Akal. As you know, RPSC, that is Rajasthan Public Service Commission, has released uh, the notification for the recruitment of assistant professor, and we have a huge number of vacancies here, a total 918 vacancies, right? So those who have done PhDs or qualified for UGC NET exam, this is the best opportunity to get a government job in Rajasthan. Uh, you have to remember that 18th December 2020 is the last date for application of this job, and we don't have, the large amount of fee. Uh, we have only 350 rupees for the general category. If you are OBC, then you have to pay just for 250, and if you are a scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, then you have to pay only 150. Right. And as far as the age bar is concerned, 21 is the minimum age for the application of the job, and 40 years is the maximum age, right? And those candidate who often qualified UGC NET's exam, they have the best chance to clear this exam, particularly those who qualified of JRF, right? And in this video, we are going to discuss about the syllabus of the sociology paper. Uh, so again, we have at least 45 seats in the post for assistant professor here. So if you can see the syllabus is not difficult, right? The question will be asked for assistant professor, like the same NTA or UGC net, ask. So if you see the first part, that is the basic concept, right? Meaning, definition, subject matter, and the scope of sociology, perspective of sociology. Like we have three perspective: Marxist perspective, functionalist perspective, and again a structural functionalist perspective, right? So if you read the one book particularly for this section is Columbus, right? Uh, then second point, you can see culture, society, community, institution, association, social structure. This is again the simple thing, to know as far as the student of sociology is concerned. Social groups, meanings and the types. We have syllabus in social control, meaning and the types and the agency, socialization process, meaning, stages of, and the theories of socialization. We have Sigmund Freud theory, right? We have psychoanalytic theory, psychological theory as well, which talks about the socialization process. Then we have status and the roles, norms and values, social stratification, meaning, form and theories, social exclusion and social inequality. This is the new aspect of the understanding of sociological theories. So if you read any modern contemporary book of sociology, you will find this topic like social exclusion, particularly when you read the Anthony Giddings book, right? You will find that concept here. Again, we have social process, assimilation, competition, conflict and cooperation. Then we have social change, meaning, factors and theories. So part one, this is a paper one. The part one, comes from the simple book like Columbus, and if you read the IGNOU material, right, you will find all those materials as well. Second, unit 2, you have to focus on the Western sociological thinker, particularly Auguste Comte, Herbert Spencer, Wilfred Pareto, Emile Durkheim, Karl Marx, and Max Weber. Right. So the question particularly comes from Karl Marx or मैक्स वेबर का जो 2 सेक्शन है वो काफी इंपॉर्टेंट सेक्शन है. सोशल एक्शन, रिलीजन, alienation, dialectic materialism, right? You have to focus particularly in this section here, right? And Pareto questions also, right? Sometimes logical experimental method, right? Many of you are not familiar because many university do not teach Pareto, right? So for this exam you have to prepare well, and you have to incorporate the Pareto in your reading list as well. The third section is interesting section, Indian social system, in which characteristics of Indian society, unity and diversity, Varna ashram system, Purusartha system, Sanskara, Karma, Dharma, Arthika, Kam, Moksha, Jati system, caste system, right? You have to familiar about these concepts, right? Social institutions like family, kinship, you have to understand the theories of kinship, caste and the class system in Indian society, a status of women and a status of marginalized section, right? What are the social legislation for the empowerment of marginalized section in the society? You have to familiar with the concept of social problems in India like poverty, illiteracy, unemployment, domestic violence, dowry, divorce, right? And particularly you have to focus on the social legislations, right? Deviance and the crime, juvenile delinquency, right? This is one of the significant because many university again do not teach social problems, right? uh, so you have to you will get materials on this. I will send you, if you ask me on WhatsApp, I will send you the all materials, right? Problem of nation building like regionalism, communalism, casteism, and corruption. So you have to also read important sociological bulletins, right? Sociological magazines for the better understanding, and you must familiar about the contemporary research debates as well, right? As far as the problem of nation building of India is concerned, right? Plan change and Indian society 5 year plans, right? Again, this is changed right now. The new name is Niti Aayog, right? Globalization and its impact on the society. Uh, Again, you have to give two papers for sociology. In first paper, 3 unit we have already covered. In second paper you have to again prepare for 3 unit. First unit covers for sociological research, like what is the meaning of sociological research, what are the types of sociological research, what is scientific methods, objectivity, value neutrality in social research. You have to remember of the some of the very important concepts of how to do research, how to pursue research, right? What are the techniques for research, techniques for data collection, right? Observation, interview, schedules, questionnaires, case study method, content analysis, right? Second unit of this paper 2 is perspectives of Indian society. So you have to familiar with the concepts of Indian thinkers and their contributions, like G.S. Ghurye, M.N. Srinivas, D.P. Mukherjee, A.R. Desai, R.K. Mukherjee, right? Text and the field view, book view and the field view of M.N. Srinivas, Iravati Karve contributions, family, joint family, changes in families. If you want to understand the changes of family, you have to read the work of A.M. Shah, right? N.K. Bose and Sujit Sinha. You have to understand various schools of Indian sociology, like Indological and textual perspective uh, of Louis Dumont, a structural functionalist perspective of S.C. Dubé, Marxist perspective, D.P. Mukherjee, A.R. Desai, R.K. Mukherjee, synthesis of textual view, that is the book view and the field view, that is Iravati Karve and A.M. Shah. You have to familiar with the school of like N.K. Bose and Sujit Sinha, who talked about the civilizational perspective. And you have to also familiar with the subaltern perspective, David Hardiman and B.R. Ambedkar, right? And the last section is classical sociological theory. Like you have to familiar with the concept of R.K. Morton and Talcott Parson, new structuralism of Levi-Strauss, new functionalism of Alexander, conflict theory, Koser, Althusser, and Derendorf. You have to familiar with the concept of Alfred Schultz, ethnomethodology of Horden Galfingers, symbolic interactionism of Mead and Herbert Mead and Blumer. You have to familiar with the concept of liberal and radical feminism, and you have to at least briefly understand the debate of postmodernism of Derrida and Foucault. And in addition to that, you have to also familiar with the concept of Anthony Giddens. So this was all about the syllabus for assistant professor as far as the specialization of sociology is concerned, right? So if you have UGC NET and if you did your master in sociology, then you must appear in this exam. So the pattern of exam is again very common, like UGC NET, right? So maximum marks would be 75 for paper 1, in paper 2 75. So total question will be asked around 150, right? So you have 3 hours of time, and again one important thing is like here is negative marking, right? So you have to sure about your concepts, right? Don't take it like तुक्का लगा देंगे, right? क्योंकि यूजीसी नेट में आप लोग 40 अगर 60% मार्क्स आपका सही होता है तो आपका 40% जो है मार्क्स आप तुक्का लगाते हो, राइट? यहाँ पे टोटल बहुत ही ज्यादा संजीदगी के साथ आपको पढ़ाई करना है और कॉन्सेप्ट्स को डीपली समझना है, क्योंकि यहाँ नेगेटिव मार्किंग है। नेगेटिव मार्किंग आप ज्यादा करोगे तो आपका कट ऑफ अगेन स्लो हो जाएगा, कम हो जाएगा, राइट? तो अभी नेक्स्ट मैं अपना ईमेल आईडी और व्हाट्सएप नंबर अपने कमेंट्स में छोड़ देता हूं, चूंकि मैंने ऑलमोस्ट 3000 क्वेश्चंस का सेट्स बनाया है। सो दोज हु आर इंटरेस्टेड इन प्रैक्टिस फॉर दिस असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर एग्जाम, वो मुझे ईमेल आईडी पे अपना नाम और एड्रेस लिख के भेजेंगे और उनके साथ हम जूम और गूगल मीटिंग पे आपका मैं क्लास लूंगा, राइट? चूंकि मैं यूजीसी नेट का भी ऑफन क्लास ले लेता हूं और तकरीबन 10 से 15 बच्चे हमारे यहाँ से क्लियर करते हैं हर साल। और इस बार मैं राजस्थान पे एक स्पेसिफिक फोकस्ड करके जो है मैं सोशियोलॉजिकल बुलेटिन को पढ़ के जो है मैंने एक क्वेश्चन बैंक बनाया है। और मुझे लगता है कि राजस्थान में जो सोशियोलॉजिकल रिसर्च हुआ है, जैसे टी.के. ओमेन का है, राइट, जैसे डिफरेंट थिंकर्स का है, जिनका केस स्टडी राजस्थान पे है, उनका कंट्रीब्यूशन आपको पढ़ना बहुत ही जरूरी है। और राजस्थान तो अपने आप में एक कल्चरल सिग्निफिकेंस रखता है इंडियन सोसाइटी में, राइट? सो आपको बस सोशियोलॉजी में अगर आपने 150 मार्क्स लिए और 50 मार्क्स का 50 क्वेश्चंस जो है आपको सोशियोलॉजी भी उसका एक कनोटेशन है, लेकिन राजस्थान कल्चर के स्पेसिफिक बातों को, उसकी हिस्ट्री को, उसके पॉलिटिकल सिस्टम को, वहाँ के जो पॉलिटिकल सिस्टम है, वहाँ का जो पार्टी सिस्टम है, वहाँ का जो कल्चरल हिस्ट्री है, उसको समझना जरूरी है। और जो लोग यूजीसी नेट क्लियर कर चुके हैं या इस बार अभी यूजीसी नेट का एग्जाम कल या परसों में आने वाला है, उनके लिए एक बहुत ही सुनहरा मौका है। आपने अगर थोड़ा सा भी मेहनत कर लिया तो यू कैन इजिली क्रैक दिस एग्जाम, आई एम श्योर, राइट? सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर काइंड अटेंशन। नेक्स्ट क्लास में जो है हम